Become a femme magnet.
Many women believe that commitment is something you ask for. At some point in the relationship, they feel the need to have a conversation, a moment where the question finally appears. Where is this going? Are we exclusive? What are we? And while these questions are understandable, they often reveal a deeper misunderstanding about how commitment actually forms in the male mind. Because commitment is rarely created through conversation. It is created through emotional investment. A man does not commit because he was asked to. He commits because somewhere along the way, the connection started to feel valuable enough that losing it would feel like a mistake. And that psychological shift does not happen through pressure. It happens through attraction dynamics. You see, pursuit is an important part of how many men experience attraction, not because men enjoy playing games, but because the process of pursuit activates something powerful inside the brain. Curiosity, challenge, emotional reward. When a man feels that he is gradually earning access to someone's world, the connection becomes meaningful. But when that process disappears, something interesting happens. The relationship can begin to feel too predictable, too easy, too certain. And certainty, while comfortable, does not always create emotional excitement. This is where many women unknowingly change the dynamic. When attraction is strong in the beginning, it feels natural to invest deeply, to show interest, to be emotionally open, to prioritize the connection, but sometimes that investment becomes unbalanced. The man begins to feel that the emotional outcome is already guaranteed, that the relationship will continue regardless of how much effort he gives. And when effort is no longer required, pursuit disappears. This does not mean you should become distant or cold. Real attraction is never built through manipulation, but it does require something very specific. Self-contained energy, the kind of presence where a woman enjoys the connection, but her life does not revolve around it. She has her own rhythm, her own priorities, her own emotional center, and this creates a subtle but powerful psychological effect. Because when someone feels emotionally grounded in their own world, it naturally invites others to step toward them, not out of obligation, but out of curiosity. Men often commit to the women who create this feeling, not because those women demanded commitment, but because being with them feels like something worth choosing, something worth protecting, something that could disappear if he stops showing up. This is why the women who inspire long-term pursuit often share certain qualities. They do not rush emotional attachment. They allow the connection to grow gradually. They appreciate effort instead of assuming it. And perhaps, most importantly, they remain emotionally calm inside uncertainty. They do not panic when the relationship is still developing. They observe, they experience, they allow time to reveal character. And time is an important factor in attraction, because real commitment is not a decision made in a single conversation. It is a feeling that builds through repeated emotional experiences, moments of connection, moments of curiosity, moments where the presence of another person begins to feel significant. Eventually, the man realizes something quietly but clearly. Life feels better with her in it, not because she demanded a relationship, but because her presence created something meaningful. And when that realization happens, commitment stops feeling like a responsibility. It starts feeling like a choice, which is why the women who inspire the deepest pursuit are rarely the ones trying the hardest to secure the relationship. They are the ones who simply create an experience that feels difficult to replace. And in human psychology, what feels rare is often what people choose to keep. Don't forget to subscribe to Femme Magnet for more interested videos and learn the secrets to attracting your dream man and become magnetic. In the next video, we will cover the signs he is emotionally attached.